Alright, when starting this, it's very important to measure all aspects of your crossbow, not just the length, but also like how wide. This allows you to know how wide you should make your fletchings. Now the blades themselves are made from hacksaw blades, so they're somewhat flexible, but also pretty hard and keep a good edge. Now it doesn't have to be exactly perfect yet, because we're going to put bevels on these, and they will probably look better then. So wherever the direction the grain is running, you want to cut opposite of that, so it doesn't just split down the middle. Alright, so I don't think I explained this the best in the video. Basically what I'm going to be doing is tapering the wood down to the blade, and it helps it go through soft targets better. So I decided it was kind of lame to just leave them just wood, so I'm going to just burn the surface and make them a little darker. Okay, so this is what I'm going for. I'm basically just going to coat the outside in epoxy, and then obviously epoxy the blade in. This is basically just like a full-size one that I made. So I'm going to do this exact same thing right now. Okay, now it's at the stage where it's just a little tacky, so I can do the veins now. Alright, so for the veins, I'm just going to be using this extra thick duct tape. Just using the extra thick one because I think it'll be more rigid. So I'm just going to tear off a piece. So for the shape, I kind of just guessed, and I cut it out with the scissors. And then now I'm going to be wrapping a thinner strip around the front so it doesn't come undone. And so that's pretty much it. An important thing to know is whenever you're gluing in the arrowheads, make sure to cut in some grooves so the epoxy has something to hold on to. But yeah, and that's it. So here's some test footage. This is really bad. Yeah. Well, it's still intact, by the way, so I just shouldn't shoot through the camera.